G'day and welcome back. Today we've got a beautiful 3.5 kilo leg of lamb that we're going to be putting on the rotisserie. I absolutely fell in love with it last cook, so you're going to be seeing a lot more of that. The last cook I used both sides of the Weber filled with charcoal. This time I'm only going to load up one side because the rotisserie is going to rotate for the entire cook anyway. So while the Weber heats up, let's go prep our lamb. So today we're going to be cooking at about 200 degrees Celsius. So we have loaded one side of our Weber up. I'm just going to bury a couple of firelighters one side. We'll get them cranking. So with this leg of lamb, we want to be taking off any hard and excess fat. So we've got a big chunk here. Probably take off a bit off the top here as well. Probably take some of the skin off as well. When you're looking for hard fat, you just got to really rub your hands over the top, and it's just really hard, thick fat that doesn't render down, and you'll be chewing on it. So you just want to try and get all that off. Good to go. Now I am going to slightly score what's left of this fat, just so it opens up and we get a bit more surface area to season. Beautiful. So before we hit it with our rub, we're going to lightly coat it in some olive oil. To the back first. So we're just going to hit it with a garlic and herb rub again. This is my absolute favourite with lamb. It just goes hand in hand. Give it a very generous coating. Turn over, do the same thing. Beautiful. Alright, same again. Try and get it as dead central as possible. And just watch out for that bone coming out still again. We're going to go through the shank as well. All the way through. That is lovely. Get it hooked in. It'll stay there. Oh, you little beauty. I love this thing. Let's go check on our Weber. So we'll actually move this away from our coals. Get our smoking wood in, plug her in. Oh yeah. So we're going to check this in about an hour and then we'll go from there. This was coming back after about an hour and we were just starting to form a beautiful colour. So we'll turn this off, get an internal temperature reading, and as you can see, we still are ways off of our target of about 59 degrees Celsius. Let's come back in about an hour and have a look. Oh. Turn this off. So it's been about an hour and a half and we want to be around 59 to 60 degrees Celsius in our thickest part, and we are at about 62, so this is a perfect time to take this off and let it rest. Oh yeah. Oh my god, that's just about to fall off. we're gonna wrap this up for at least half an hour. Lamb, you really need to give a good rest. So we're gonna try for at least half an hour. But we are pretty hungry. Alright, 35 minutes later and it's time to have a look. Didn't wrap it too well. Let's have a taste. That nice hint of cherry wood coming through, and that garlic and herb rub is just thank you, Coda. Just unbeatable. Absolutely gorgeous. Did it again. Lamb itself has a lot of intramuscular. That doesn't sound right. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce intramuscular? Yeah, it's there, but how do you pronounce it? A minute video. Just word like 195 pronunciations of intramuscular in English. How the fuck is there 195 ways to pronounce something? You know, lamb itself is quite fatty, so don't be scared of taking off a lot. Get it hooked in. Oh, fuck. Can you unscrew this thing? Oh, you can. Woo. That's where the bone is, you dickhead. Turn her on. Plug her in. Plug her in. Oh yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.